How to assemble magnetic track lights. Firstly, connect the 110V power to the power adapter. Then, insert the power adapter into the track until the outer edge of the magnetic track is level with it. For straight connections between two tracks, use the straight connector module and insert it into the middle of the connection slot between the two tracks. For corners, use the corner connector module, which should be inserted into both ends of the two tracks. Once the lights are connected, they will be ready to use when powered on. The floodlight provides large area lighting and is mainly used for basic illumination. The grid light is designed to prevent glare and is suitable for use in key lighting areas. The magnetic spotlight has a 24-degree beam angle and a 360-degree rotation lamp head, making it perfect for illuminating artwork or decorative pieces. Finally, the folding grid light has a 180-degree adjustable illumination angle, making it suitable for targeted lighting.